Hi everyone, my name is Alina and today all about flower stem. I received a lot of questions on my TikTok account what pipes do I use for stem, and I really tried a lot of and finally found the perfect one. It's flexible and easy to bend, even for me, but in the same time it's strong enough to hold even my biggest flowers. And for now the biggest flower I made it's 1 meter diameter. All links are in description. This pipe has different sizes and my favorite ones are 16 and 20. I just combine them together because this way all the composition looks more realistic, like in nature. And finally, if you have any questions, please write in comments, because I'm going to make a full-length tutorial video how to make such flowers, such stem and all these things from start to finish, and will be happy to answer all your questions. Wishing you much inspiration and have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye bye.